Catherine Bernardo update. And trending ngayon si Catherine. Catherine inspires greatness. Diyan sa SM MOA Music Hall for TCL event. And ito yung video ni Catherine. TCL brand endorser.
Everybody once again, that's Catherine Bernardo! Hello, happy weekend everyone. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. Actually, excited ako today. Parang ang dami natin gagawin, and I just want to thank my TCL family, of course, for making this event possible and for having me. This is my second time attending this event, and I'm just so happy that I'm here representing my TCL family. So let's just have fun today.
Yes, of course, actually. So what's the coolest family moment you've had recently? Yung bonding time na sobrang tuwata.
Family moment, recently, siguro nung lahat sila show their support during the finals of Pilipinas Got Talent. I think that was my recent cool moment, and my family talaga, they've been very supportive of PGT, especially my mom. She was there to personally watch the finalists. So that's pretty cool. Actually, hindi lang family, but even the fans, they were all there throughout my Pilipinas Got Talent journey. So it wouldn't be possible without, of course, my supporters and my family supporting me as a judge. I had a wonderful time doing Pilipinas Got Talent.
Ayun, thank you so much. Once again, kindly make your way to the center of the stage.
Catherine Bernardo.
Quick photo op with our executives on this
And yung picture sila. Ayun, ang daming pang nagabang kay Catherine dyan, ha. Ayun, pa-selfie pa kay Catherine, ha. Yung fans niya. Parang yung mga security. Ayan yung mga tao dyan sa event for TCL. Ayan si Mami May, no? Ayan, very supportive kay Catherine. Ang dami pa picture kay Catherine, eh. Kahit ang dami security, oh. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.